Okay, this is a multi-company HR system, and this is the login page. The username is admin, password is 123456. Hit login. So this is the dashboard of the admin, the main administrator of the system. We have employees, attendance, total leaves. So basically here we can manage multi offices, multi companies. If we go to organization in companies, we can see we can add multi companies. We can view the company, we can edit the company details. So I'll add a new company here. I'll add name Google, company time is a type corporation, trading name Google, registration number there's something here, or dummy mobile number, email something at google.com. okay, website, location, anything, the locations we can add it from the settings, tax number something, company logo, something here. Okay, data is added. If you go to departments, in departments you can see we need to select the company. Like for example, if I add marketing department, select the company Google, and department head, we need to add the employee here. To add employee, we need some more info here, like designations, departments, and office shifts. So if we go to time sheets, here we have attendance, date wise attendance, monthly attendance. Here we have office shift. We need to add office shift. We can add it for a particular company here. Like see, we need to first select the company. Now shift name is regular shift. From Monday, what is the timing for Tuesday, Thursday, for whole week. So we can add the office shift with full information. Then we have holidays, manage holidays. Christmas holiday we can add for a particular company. A start date, then end date, then status. So the holiday will be applicable for all the employees for that company. So basically we'll go to employees list. Okay, here we can see we have an employee here related to XYZ tech company. So I'll add a new employee here with name, okay, Samir something, email sam@gmail.com, phone something here, date of birth anything, gender is male. Now here we can see select the company. So this employee belongs to which company, XYZ or Google company. So I'll add XYZ here, department and add manage department. So these departments are based on this company. When we select this drop down, this refreshes. Okay, if we select Google, you can see there is no department in Google. So we need to be careful here. We need to select company, then we need to select a department, and based on this department we have designations. If I select no department, then there is no designations. Similarly, on base of the designation we have office shift. Okay, so we add Sam123, the username of this employee for login. The role will be a manager or just an employee. Password 123456. 123456. Okay, attendance type is IP based or general based. IP based means whenever he logins through the IP address, the attendance is logged in automatically. Date of joining, okay, let's say 1st July. Image, just leave it. Add the employee, date added successfully. We can see here Samir Fioi. If we click on this link, we can see the profile of the employee. Yes, see, we have so much information of the employee, immigration information, emergency contacts, social profile of the employee, documents, qualification, add a qualification, school, university, like any stuff, work experience, bank account. Then we have profile information, set salary, okay, add basic salary, July 2022, pay slip type, monthly slip, in US dollars, $500 I'll add. Okay, so salary for July 2022 500 is released now. We have allowances, commissions, loans, okay, deductions, other payments for this employee, overtime, add overtime. Okay, for July I'll add web development project, number of days 5, total hours like 10, rate will be 25, add. So overtime salary for this. Okay, then your salary, pension. So currently we know pension settings, leave it. Then we have leaves, the leaves of the employee. Then we have core HR features. Core HR features consist of travel of the employee, travel leaves, any training going on for this employee, technical tickets, okay, transfer of the employee, promotion of the employee, complaints of the employee, warnings of the employee by HR. Okay, basically these features are related to HR. The HR of the employee will manage these features. Then we have project and task. Okay, this system has a project management system as well with task and projects, we can see later. Then we have pay slip here. Pay slips are nothing but the salary slips. We can generate the PDF or export into PDF. Okay, we can filter them. So if you go to user list, basically we see all employees and all users on the system, like including clients and customers. So you can Vishal see Vishal Patel is a customer here. Okay, John Samir is employee, and the permissions we can assign through roles. Okay, if you go to organization, customer settings, we can see roles and access. Okay, so we have different permissions for manager, editor, client, employee and admin. You can click the permission button here. We can control the permissions. We just need to tick mark, like if the editor can see the company, view company, add company, edit company, like that. Okay, then we have general settings. The general setting means the software information, the name of the software or site logo, anything like that. So the administrator can manage this. Then we have mail settings, email server. We have email notifications in this server. Whenever a new project is, new task is created, the email notification is it is sent to the employee, manager or admin. So this must be correctly configured, so the email notification will work properly. Then you have language settings. We can add multiple languages. See, this is a very complicated advanced stuff. Then we have also variable method, variable type. These are for developers, technical team. If you have a technical knowledge, you can manage this. Similarly, what more we have in organization, we can see designations, locations like as I say, whenever you add a company, you need to add location. You can add location from here. Location Las Vegas, location head, the managers who is the head of the location, like that. Then you have company policy, just policies, or some basic policy page. Here you will add all the data of policy. It belongs to which company? Google company. So basically these policies will be visible to the client and employee page. Then we have some announcements. Announcements are nothing but, if we add announcement here, example announcement, something, okay, we will add today's and this month. So announcement for this whole month, July is crazy months. Company XYZ, department, all department. So whenever a employee of XYZ company logins into the system, they see a notification with this summary. Like if we had August is full holiday. So I'll show you by logging into the employee dashboard. Just wait a minute, you will see the announcement there. Okay, so these are the organization options. Then we have timesheets. You say attendance. We can manage all the attendance of the employee, like John Dio, Samir. You can see clock in time, clock out time, late, early leaving, overtime, total work, total rest, everything. You can even search for the date wise. Okay, monthly attendance update. You can update the attendance of the employee as well. Okay, select company XYZ, select employee Samir, get, select both filter option. We'll say this date. See, there is no attendance login for this Samir of XYZ company on today's date. So I'll add a attendance here. Today's date, clock in time, he logged in on 10 a.m. and he clocked out at 12 p.m. I'll add attendance. So the attendance is added. If you go to attendances, we can see the Samir attendance for today is present. Okay, he logged in on 10 a.m. and 12 p.m. Now he's on lunch break. Like that you can manage. Okay, then we have payrolls. In payroll we can see payment history, all the salaries and stuff. You can see it is based on company. If you select XYZ company, all employees data of this company is visible here below. If you click search, you can see no data because we have not released any payment. We just created a pay slip there for July month. See, Samir, we have created a pay slip here. It is unpaid. So if you click this button, the payment will be generated. See, okay, pay. I click pay now. Okay, we need to manage some data here. Net salary 750, not all allowances, payroll. Okay, required balance is less than available balance. So basically in the company account balance there is no balance, so that why payment is not releasing. So hope you understand. Then we have performance options, goal type, goal tracking, all the performance of the company, all that type. Then we have HR calendar. Calendar is very useful for employees, managing employees and tasks. Yep. Holidays, we can see holidays. We can add an holiday, like for example July Friday holiday. For which company? For this company. All the employees of the company will be applicable for this holiday, for tomorrow's Friday. Status published, add. And now we can see on July Friday there is a holiday here in blue color. Even we can manage the calendar with weekly, daily, list or monthly, like that. Leave request, we can add a leave request as well. For which company, for which department, for which employee? Samir, new employee. Start date will be tomorrow, end date will be tomorrow. He apply for a leave, half day or full day. Select status, pending or approved. You can say notification. Email notification will be given to the employee that your leave is approved. Okay, if we add this, so request will be sent to the employee. The employee can process the leave. Then we have add travel notifications, anything like that we can add. Then we have trainings, for which company, for which training type, for which who is the trainer, who is the employee. Then we have projects, we can add a project. So let's add a Honda project of Indian company. Who is the client? Okay, we need to add a client. Currently we don't have client, so it will not work. Then we have task. A task is related to a separate company and a project. Okay, you need two terms here. You need to select a project and a company to add a task. Start date, end date, estimated hour of the task, task users. You need to select the employees based on this company. Then description of the task. So the task will be given to the employee. Then we have meetings. Okay, same stuff. You need to select the company and employee, which company is. Okay, So these features are only available to administrator, not to HR or employee. Then we have HR reports, attendance reports, training report. You can generate the reports into PDF and Excel by some filters as well, but date wise and company wise. So many big features are available in this. I can't show you all this in just a little short video. I'm just showing you main stuff here. You can also manage assets in the company, file manager, or you can store files and media on the cloud, events and meeting. Then we have training, see training list, training type, the recruitment process as well. You can post a job candidates. You can manage interviews as well. So this is the administrator powerful features. Now we'll do one thing. We'll log in as a employee. What Sam 123. We added a employee there. So login. Same no account found. Oh, wrong username. Sam 123 4 5 6. Okay, now we have logged in as employee. You can see we have a notification in the employee dashboard. If you click the notification, a new announcement has been published. So what is the announcement? All department example announcement here. If you click view, summary something, August is full holiday, published for all department, added by admin, start date, finish date. So like this. If you go to dashboard, in the employee dashboard, you can see our profile name, our title, job title. Here you can see the clock in button. If I press this button, my attendance will be recorded. Please log in with your office internet to clock in, because we have added IP address condition, so we need to connect to the Wi-Fi of office to click this button. Then we have pay slips, awards, announcements, upcoming holidays, tickets, travels. Then we have organization options. So I belong to this company, XYZ Tech company. We can see company policy. We can see the admin has added a policy for Google company. Okay, in timesheets I can see my attendance as an employee. See, I can filter the date wise attendance. I can see date wise attendance by start date, end date. I can see monthly attendance of my for July. I can select June, click get, see AAA, which means absent, no attendance. If you go to HR calendar, now here from this calendar we can manage our task and holidays, all that stuff. See, July is Friday is a holiday. So currently I have not given any task. The admin has not given me any project or task. That's why I'm seeing no project and task option here. If once the HR assigns a project or a task to this employee can see here a project here, a project card, a box will be given here, and the task. So the employee can start working on it, and any tickets, all that stuff. So hope you understood this software. It is a very professional software for multi companies and multi offices. All the options are given, just one option is missing, that is chatting option is missing here. There is no chatting option in this software, but all the other options are given, very professionally designed and a clean code. This is the code. Okay, it is built on Laravel. You can see all the PHP code, fully professional code, is neat and clean code, fully optimized. You can see all the comments are given, all the public functions, methods, all the variables, all the arrays are fully optimized. There is no performance issue. Okay, there is no technical issue. Everything is given